It's been a long time since you felt the ocean breeze in your face, although you were doing something important. Maybe it has never happened to you before. Well, maybe it's time. It's time for you to take your eyes away from the screen, look up and connect with the world that matters. It's time to stop working just for your own benefit and start working towards a sustainable world where you and the society can win. It's time to stop having endless meetings in a room and spend quality time with the people who understand your vision and are ready to invest in it. It's time to stop immersing yourself in your daily routine and start connecting with your creativity and your inspiration to pivot and scale. You need to slow down to be prepared to speed up. You need a startup decelerator. We have created a differential program based on a unique experience, providing entrepreneurs efficient time to scale. We place human factor at the heart of innovation because people and their teams are the drivers of success. We have built the International Decelerator family, an international lifelong community working to boost sustainable startups through inspiration and collaboration that will help make the world a better place.